Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and this is going to be an update for the Stardew Valley project pan. I almost forgot the name for a second. I was like, wait, what am I doing? It's one of those days. It's one of those tired days where you just can't do anything. But we're going through with it. Yes. So I'm going to get through my 5 products. Nothing's rolling out. I was really hoping for something to roll out, but I think by next update I might have 3 things rolling out, so that's exciting. Okay, first item on my list is for Willy, and this is the gloss side of the lorac Pirates of the Caribbean sparrow lipstick and gloss thing. And I have, what's a mark on here? I don't know. It was I guess it rubbed off, but it used to be there or something. But I took the stopper out, and I'm just tuck that behind my ear. And let me see if that helps. But there's a mirror on this side, so I'm not gonna. But as you can see, cat hair is everywhere. I'm slowly using it. Once the stopper was out, it was kind of a lot in there. So after that, because I think it was building up here, so it took a while to get through that initial part. And now I'm just slowly scraping down the sides. I started up here, making sure I got all the product from there, and then slowly go deeper and deeper. But it should go and be empty by next month. So yeah, as you can see, there's not a lot of product left, but it's not anything I can use in a day or two. It will take probably a week to use. A week, maybe 2 at most to use the rest of it. So not that much, but still enough to not be oh, it's done, but it's not. So hopefully that should roll out by next month. I don't know. Next is for Penny, which is the Essence So Glow cream to powder highlighter. And so my goal is to reach the side pan on this, and I can't open it apparently. Not gonna open. And we're slowly inching that way. As you can see, there's I almost uncovered the ring right there. I think maybe next month. It's a possibility that next month I could hit side pan. I think there might be a little bit left by then, but I'm wearing it today. It blends in really nicely with the cream blush that I'm panning in my Beauty A to Z project. So right now that cream blush is to be gone in another month though. So then I'll go back to powder blush. But this blends really nicely. I just need to use my finger because I can't get it to work with a brush. But with my finger, it looks really nice on me. But yeah, see, I think it's gonna be 2 more months, but it could be next month, maybe, possibly. But yeah, when I used it, I have tallies and I forgot to say the number. I used it 8 times. Apparently I can't count very well. I used it 8 times, so that's a good amount of times right now. And I was really hoping to use it more, but then I had a trip. I went to my aunt's house. I just got back. Basically on Monday, I got back, but it was 2 o'clock in the morning, so not really. But oh my god, I'm so tired still from that trip. It takes me 3 days to recover when I don't sleep well, and and I was gone from Thursday to Sunday, and we left Sunday night, and then we got in at 2 o'clock in the morning on Monday. But yeah, and apparently I'm going on another trip that my mom just sprung up on me and be where'd I go to this thing? I'm like, okay, the 29th I'm going to Texas for the first time ever. Apparently it's right by the Gulf of Mexico we're going. So I'm really excited for that trip. I'm going to be there for like a week through like the 6th. So hopefully I can get all the filming done I need to film. So I can still have my updates go up. But if I don't, it's okay. I like rarely take a vacation, so that will be fine. But yeah, let's get to the rest of this project and not get sidetracked. But what is next? For Sebastian, which seriously makes me think of the never-ending story. Every time I say Sebastian, I'm like, oh wait, remember that horse that died in that swamp? I'm like, don't remember that. But yeah, that's like what my brain goes to. Even though it was like, the horse's name was Atreyu, which I found kind of really odd, because that's like the name of a band. It's like, was the band around first, or did the band name themselves after that horse or something? Wait, was it the name of the horse, or was it the name of the boy? Okay, stop getting sidetracked. Stop it. Sebastian. I'm just calling Bash, so my brain doesn't say that. I used it 6 times. I added something into this. It's not a setting spray, but it's like a facial spray I added, because I don't own any setting spray, so I added a couple spritz of this into it, because it was like really dry. I felt like I didn't use enough for it to be that dry, so I was like, okay, just add a little bit, see how it works. And I have it on my lower lash today. Ever since I added that, it is a little bit patchy, and it's like, as you can see, you can kind of see how it's like a little bit patchy when I try to like use it, because I don't like really harsh like lines. I like to blend things out. Even with cream shadow, I like blended things. I don't like to have a harsh line. I like super blended things. So yeah, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna use it one more month and then decide from there. I think in 1 more month, I think I'll just stop using it. I think this is a rollout next month, even if it's like kind of weird, because with how it's being, how patchy it's being, it's like, I don't know. I'm kind of like in the middle of it, but yeah. So there's that. Next is for Linus, and I used one of the sheet masks. I used the e.l.f. one. I really like that sheet mask, actually. It was really nice. But I don't buy sheet masks. Like, if I get them as gifts, I like will use them. Or if there's like a set that I really want that has like a bunch of other things, and there's a sheet mask in it, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I don't buy sheet masks, I can't get that set, even though everything else I would like use a lot. So I'm like, that's how I got the e.l.f. one, is in a skincare set, which had a bunch of e.l.f. stuff, which I'm so happy I got. But yeah, I really like the e.l.f. one. It was kind of like slimy, like gooey, kind of like aloe vera gel. Like, if you know the feeling of aloe vera gel, it felt like that. Like that kind of like texture. It was kind of weird, and it was kind of like too much. I used it just like yesterday. I don't know if I said that, but so now I only have one more left. This is my beauty spot. I don't know where. I think these get off from Big Lots. I don't know, because that's where my aunt goes Christmas shopping at. So I think this is, because this is from a set that my aunt got. But yeah, this is one of them. This is the last one, so hopefully this one gets used up too. So yeah. And last but not least is for Clint, and this is the silver nail polish, which has not moved from that little line. I used it twice. I used it once as a full like manicure, and then I have it on my nails right now, but this I've been wearing since like Tuesday morning, and it's Thursday morning, and it's Tuesday. I keep on thinking it's Wednesday, but it's not Wednesday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Okay, but yeah, I did my like lazy nail art, which is not really nail art, but it's like I basically just take the brush and just go like start here and then just glide it across in a little like. You don't need a brush. You could use tape to make it more like precise, because I started out doing that years ago when I started doing this, but like this is a really simple way to do like something that kind of looks nice, but it's like really easy, and you don't need like any nail tools. You use the nail polish brush and you just go like, you could either like put it down and then move your finger, or like do it with your brush. But I do have the two like end fingers or whatever, and that's how it looks. It looks really nice with this periwinkle color. I don't remember what the color of this is. It's a Sinful Colors nail polish. Because most of my nail polishes are Sinful Colors or LA Colors. The two ones that you can find at the Dollar Tree all the time. Because that's what I have. But yeah. So hopefully I can get a couple more uses. I'll probably use it like this a couple more times. That doesn't use up much nail polish. But I'm hoping that I can get more use on it and maybe get some movement in it, because otherwise it's just like to be in here forever and I don't want that. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you liked it, and hopefully I wasn't too rambly, because I kept getting off track. But thank you so much for